Okay, nails. Let's talk about it. All right, here are the standards and objectives. Pause and peruse. What are nails? Well, let's talk about it. Keratinized. This should sound familiar to you. Keratin in your hair, keratin in your skin, keratin in your nails. It protects the tips of our fingers and our toes, so it protects those exposed tips. So it helps limit distortion under stress. So for example, when you grab something, it helps with the manipulation of small objects, and sometimes we use our fingernails as tools. Tapping, doing this on a surface of your nails, will actually help to stimulate growth. Let's go over nail parts. All right, so we have the nail body. That's the visible part of the nail, okay? The part of the nail we take care of. It's a dense mass of dead, keratinized cells. It's recessed beneath the level of the surrounding skin. So if you look at your nail, the nail body is a little bit lower than the skin around it. It has a free edge, and that's the part of the nail that extends beyond the tip of the finger or the toe, okay? So if you look at your nails and you can see part of the nail that extends beyond the tip of your finger, that's called the free edge. What about the nail bed? Well, the nail bed is epidermis. It's underneath the nail body. It's responsible for our nail color. It contains blood vessels, it contains nerves, it contains melanocytes, okay? So my nail color might be different than your nail color because of what is in the nail bed. What about the nail root? Well, that's where the nail production occurs. That's where the epidermal cells divide and actually produce the nail. It's not visible from the surface. It's hidden underneath. Now the cuticle, or epinicium, it provides waterproof protection. So it's at the base of the nail. It protects the nail root and provides that waterproof barrier. It's a narrow band of epidermis. It's formed from stratum corneum, so just the top layer. So it's that narrow band. And if you get your nails done or you trim your nails, you might trim the cuticle because it can sometimes extend up a little further. All right, the lunula. It's a pale crescent right at the base of your nail, right above the cuticle. The blood vessels are obscured here, so the color of the nail changes. It's found at the base of the nail, again near the cuticle, near the nail root. What part of the nail extends beyond the edge of the digit? The free edge. Where does the cell division occur that allows nails to grow? The nail root, also called the nail matrix. What is the pale crescent shaped part of the nail? It's at the base near the cuticle. It's the lunula. Where are nerves, melanin, and blood vessels found? In the nail bed, right? The nail body, that's the part we take care of. And that's it. It's a short lesson, but that's what you need to know about nails, and hopefully you learned something new today.